Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the font style in your story on Messenger. Let's explore the steps to customize your story with unique fonts. Begin by opening the Messenger app on your Android device. Locate the Stories option at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it to access the Story feature. Select Add to Story to start creating your story within Messenger. Choose the Text option to add textual content to your story. Type out your desired text. And to modify the font style, tap on the font icon positioned at the top of the screen. Here, you can explore various font styles to find the perfect one for your story. Once you are satisfied with the text and font selection, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen to confirm your changes. To share your story with the customized font, tap on Share Now. Your story, now enhanced with a unique font style, will be shared with your Messenger contacts. By following these simple steps, you can elevate the visual appeal of your stories on Messenger by incorporating personalized font styles. Customize your stories with creative fonts to make them visually engaging and captivating. Enhance your storytelling experience on Messenger by adding a special touch with unique font styles.